What's up guys? Okay, so another day. I didn't finish off the vlog yesterday just because we were just so tired. We ended up going to the shop after the last part of my vlog I did. We went to the store and yeah, just got some drinks and came back to the hotel, and that's basically what we did. We did nothing interesting in any sort of way, but today we're now going to the desert. So yes, we're ready for it. We're waiting on transport downstairs. I'm just waiting on Jyoti to come out, and I'll show you my look. I tried to do it very deserty style. Yeah, so this is the look. So I've got black top, choker, a scarf. I've got my cargo style pants. I should have ironed them, but clearly didn't have time before packing. And yeah, I'm just wearing them with my heels as usual because I'm in love with them because they're so easy to walk in. But yeah, that's basically the look. And he's coming. Wait. Yeah, and his look is, he's got a diesel top on with cargo pants and his Timbs. But yeah, I tried coordinating, but I told him to buy these, but he ended up buying those. So I was like,
it looks cool on me.
I was trying to get us to match.
Cool.
More
cool than you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna head downstairs to the lobby because the driver's gonna be coming soon. But yeah, that's what we're going to start doing today. Wait, where's the end of my scarf?
Let's go, it's time, Jan.
Woo! Okay, I need to pick up my backpack.
Let's go.
Let's get my backpack. And my GoPro. Let's see if we end up using it. Oh, and my phone. Okay, battery. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Sandstorm?
Sandstorm's coming, I think. It's got really windy, so I think it's sandstorm. Just did quad biking, so I've got the video on my GoPro, which I'm going to add into this. But oh my god, it was so fun, and I think we got it done just before the sandstorm came. So now it's like really windy, so the sand like blowing around is getting into contact and everything. So yeah. Yeah, so we weren't even planning on doing quad biking, but because it was costing us too much, so we decided not to do it, and we're like, we'll just see if on the safari day we're able to do it, and we ended up doing it. So yeah, yes.
एक बात अच्छा लगा, हमारे को जो पिछला टायर गाड़ी था वो बड़ा था, पिछला टायर बड़ा था, पता नहीं वो घूमेगा तो एकदम फंसेगा जितना
Low power.
Water, soft drink is first counter. That's also free. This one is Henna designing.
everything.
Welcome to our Bedouin Desert Camp. We hope that you enjoyed the dune bashing earlier. Kindly note that our starters counter is now open, serving traditional Arabian appetizers. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our starters counter is now open, serving traditional Arabian appetizers.
Right, hey guys, so basically we just did the sand duning thing. We did quad biking. It went really well, and then because of the bit of a sandstorm, like it's got really windy, and when we were doing the sand duning we stopped for photos, and I managed to get a lot of sand in my eye and it started irritating my lenses, so now hence why I have one lens in and one lens out. It's because oh my god, wait. Yeah, it's because I decided to take it out and wash it out because it was irritating me so much. It was a bad idea because this one settled down whilst the other one I took it out, put it back in, and it got worse, so it started stinging me. So now I've got it in water when I should have it in lens solution, but I was a genius and didn't pick any up. So any of you guys ever want to do sand duning or anything like that, take your solution with you, or take throw and disposable ones, or just don't wear lenses. Yep, life hacks. So yeah, but now we're having like this dinner. We're at this dinner place, so we're gonna have dinner. He's just meant to get starters, and what did you get? A tikki and smoosha. So yeah, that's what the plan is, and there's going to be entertainment, I believe, and there's camel riding, so we'll be doing that in a bit. Hopefully it won't be too busy when we do it. Yeah, we'll try it out.
गाय को लेकर चल लेंगे। बैठे तो थोड़ा दिख रही है।
Look at this. So cute. Right, guys, so we made it back to the hotel and we are shattered because it took us what, an hour and a half in the car? Roughly? I think.
Hour and a half, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, just over an hour. So between hour and a half and an hour. And yeah, we're tired, both of us.
No, I'm not tired. I'm fresh.
I'm tired. Oh, I managed to get my contact in. I managed to get my contact in, guys. Look. Oh wait, you can't see anything. Look, I've got my contacts in. No.
How do you know कि अपना अपने हाथ लग गया? सारे जाके तो शीशे से सर मार दिए, शीशा तोड़ता था बेचारे तो मैंने कह के गया. तो अगर हम देता हूँ मैं.
So डरावना नहीं पहनता शीशा, okay? Right, yeah, so we are like now just gonna unwind, see what we're gonna do tomorrow because we don't know, and yeah, that's what the plan is. Right, until tomorrow, see ya guys, bye!
Bye.